PractiProject is your one-stop shop for Atlassian needs.
We are a Solution Platinum Partner and are in the top 40 solutions partners across the world.
With our 13 years of experience, we know how to optimize and tailor your Jira configuration to fit your specific needs. Whether you have an on-premise solution or a cloud, including selecting the necessary plugins for your full Atlassian experience.
Our professional certified experts built this experience and know-how from hundreds of customer implementations, from tech companies to finance, banking, and government customers.
Choosing your right configuration, while not inventing the wheel, requires experience coming from seeing many customers' requirements and best-of-breed solutions.
Let us show you how Jira can best fit your needs, what plugins are commonly used, and how to get the best out of the Atlassian stack.
Let us help you with your Jira implementation journey. We will get your requirements and needs and build a POC system for you. We will further adjust the system to meet your needs after your review. After your approval, we will continue and set it as your production system.
We will take after your license payments, and we will make sure you will save money by starting paying only on the last phase of the implementation.
Our first-time write-a-Procatch will make sure your system implementation will be quick and make you running with Jira in no time.
After your onboarding, we will continue to give you support, training, and will further customize your system as your needs and requirements continue to mature. Let us show you what you can do with Jira in your company, and how we can maximize the system to provide you state-of-the-art work management system that will improve your work efficiency, work control, and visibility.
Call us now or drop us an email to book your meeting with us.